And now with the whole AI revolution, like you mentioned, is there like a body that's governing this?
So India is definitely wants to play a very key role in the AI revolution, right? So even recently, if you look at the G20 that was hosted in India, right? India was had the presidency of the G20. Some of the focus was on digital infrastructure, how India can play an impact, and artificial intelligence and governance. So AI is not an India problem; it's a universal problem, right? There are the benefits of it and there are the downsides of it. So at a UN level, UNESCO level, at that level, there are AI bodies that have been formed, and India has representatives in that body. So their objective is to not only define certain standards and guidelines that as to what is acceptable and what is not, but then also in the case of something going wherewithal, what is the fallback, right? What kind of penalties, what kind of sort of legal framework needs to be put in place.
Establishing guardrails.
Yeah, I mean, of course, it's very difficult to have something which is universally acceptable. At the end, each country's rules and regulations play a role as to what is acceptable in that country or not, right? And that's where India is playing a key role in trying to, because today most of the AI models, as they say, right, is all come from the big tech.
Yeah.
Right, it's the Google, Facebooks, and all whose models. Some of them have become open source, and then everybody has adopted it. And right, but if you have to make models which are local, right, which are evolving locally, you need to have a local framework of how data will be accessed, shared. Data privacy is a big issue here, right? Because your and my data is being used, maybe, right? So there is a lot of effort going on there as to how personal data privacy and those kind of things are made. So that India's the Personal Data Protection Bill that was passed this year only is one of the efforts to make sure that individuals' data is protected, especially in this fast moving AI world.